The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to edit one or more birds in Loft Manager Online using your mobile device. So I'm currently logged into Loft Manager Online, and on the screen here you're looking at a screen share coming from my iPhone 7, and we have the My Birds tab open. And so what you want to do here is you can selectively choose the bird that you would like to edit by clicking on the round circular blue button with the plus sign in the far left hand column. If you click on that, it'll expand all of the column data for that specific bird, and towards the bottom there you'll see an edit and a delete button. So you can click on the edit button and it'll open an edit form in a modal where you can then edit the data for any of the fields that you wish to change. So for example, if I wanted to set the location to breeder, for example, I can update that. And going back in, let's just confirm that change was successful, which it is. Location now reads breeder. I can change, let's add an emoji to pinned comments. Click on save. And let's confirm the emoji is there, and which it is. So that's how you would edit the data for one bird. But if you wanted to edit multiple birds, what you can do is you can selectively choose the birds that you would like to edit by checking the checkbox in this under this all column here. And once you've selected the birds that you'd like to edit, you can expand any one of these, doesn't matter which one. Click on the edit button, and now you can simply enable the fields that you would like to update for the birds that you previously selected. So for example, if I wanted to set all of those birds to, let's just change the location to in loft, I can check the checkbox next to location. It'll enable the field. Type in loft, and let's just change status to breeder. Okay, so all of the other fields are currently in a read-only status. You can't update those unless you actually check off the checkbox for that field. So you don't need to be worried about accidentally overwriting the wrong data for the birds that you selected. That's kind of a safety feature. You would only update the data for the fields that you've actually enabled and typed new data in. So I'm going to go ahead and click on save here. And let's just go back up here and confirm that these now have a location of in loft. Status is with breeder. And to be honest with you, I don't remember which birds I actually selected here, so in loft and breeder. That's obviously one that we did not select. That one there is in loft and breeder. So let's just say you wanted to update all of the birds, right? The easiest way to do that is to check this all option here in the all column, and that will automatically select all of the birds in your entire database. So as you can see here, we have, it says showing 1 of 36, or 1 to 36 of 36 entries. So we have 36 birds in the database. And if I wanted to make a global edit to all of these, it'd be the same process that I just showed you. We'd click on edit for any bird, doesn't matter which one. And let's just say I set the status to sold, right? Maybe I sold all of my birds and I want to update the status to sold. Click on save. And now it doesn't matter which one I view, they're all going to have a status, which you can see right here, as sold. Status is sold. Sold. Pretty simple process. You can also update birds from the progeny tab. Okay, so I currently have one bird in display here. I'm going to go ahead and click on next bird to get some more data to play with here. And now we've got 4 birds, and it works the same way as My Birds tab. You can select all of those birds, click on the blue button on the left hand side to expand the column data, click on edit, And this time, let's go ahead and update the notes section for these birds. I'm just going to type something in here. I'm going to say these are my favorite birds. Click on save. And now all of these birds here, the notes should say, these are my favorite birds, which it does. And so the last place that you can actually edit a bird is on the pedigree tab. Now this is only for updating the bird that's in view. So for example, this is the BLG 4019932/04. I can edit this particular bird by clicking on the edit bird button. And then I can make changes here. Ped comments is empty, so I could type something in here. Ped comments here. All right, click on save. And the ped comments were updated accordingly. So that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward process. If you have any issues with this at all or have any questions, please feel free to shoot us an email. And I appreciate your time and thanks for watching the video.